Every day across America, work gets done. Not in offices, but on shop floors, in maintenance bays, and behind the scenes. And the people doing it, they don't have time for failure. They rely on equipment that works just as hard as they do. The Stronghold 46244, a 4-foot wide by 6-foot tall, 4-shelf, extreme heavy-duty cabinet, built to support American industry. For operations moving 24/7, this is where tools, parts, and critical equipment live, organized, protected, ready. This cabinet offers all-welded, one-piece construction, built from 12-gauge American steel. No weak points, no shortcuts, no compromises. With up to 11,000 pounds of total capacity and 1,500 pounds per shelf, this isn't storage for light duty. This is built for real work. It protects what matters. The tools, the equipment, and the investments you can't afford to lose. Made in America, supporting American jobs, serving American industries. This is storage that lasts. Built to take the hits and keep going. The Stronghold 46244, America's favorite cabinet.